For lesson 1.1, we are working on being able to use pictures to help us to add. And what the sign that we're using is the word and. You can see there's not an addition sign or subtraction sign. We haven't introduced any of that yet, or even the equal sign, just the word and. So help your child to understand the word and means adding two different groups together. On number 1, they give them the two groups with pictures. So we're just using pictures right now on the front side. We have 5 horses in the first group, and we want the children to understand they are adding 3 more to that group. Instead of adding up all of the horses in the first group, saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I want the children to be able to say 5, the bigger number, and then add on 6, 7, 8. So their answer would be 8. You're going to do the same thing on number 2 and 3. And down at the bottom, there's always a problem solving. The problem solving helps you to know if your child really does understand the concept. You can see on this one, they have the two groups separated, but they didn't put them in order. They didn't put the larger group first. So we want them to be able to say 5 rabbits, that's the larger group, 5, and then add on 6, 7 to get their answer. On the next page, at the top, there's just another problem exactly like on the front, but it's multiple choice. And then down at the bottom, there's always a spiral review. Where we've only done one lesson, it'll be identical to the other ones, but usually they'll go back and review concepts that the students have done in the past to make sure that they're still working on those and they can still remember those concepts for tests. This spiral review is really nice though, because now that it takes away the pictures from the students, so they're not able to see 2 goats and 4 goats in pictures. They have to use the numbers to help them with it. If this is still challenging, go ahead and draw pictures. That doesn't hurt anything. We are still using those visual objects to help us with counting and adding, and that's not a problem. So if they need to draw 2 circles on their paper and 4 more for the 4 goats, go ahead and do that. Or if they need a visual object to hold in their hands, use some cereal. Put 2 pieces of cereal out for 2 goats, and then a pile of 4 pieces of cereal for 4 goats, and have them add them up together.